I wanted to make a quick video of a weird popping noise that I get the first time I run an audio application on my AmigaOne X1000. It's been this way since day one, and I'm not sure if anybody else is having the same issue, and it's only on the first playing of a song. After I stop that song and play again, I don't hear it for the rest of the day, or at least the few times that I've done it. So anyway, I'm going to play a song in Amiga Amp, and if you listen to the very beginning of the song, you'll kind of hear a pop or a popping noise or something. It's just weird. Okay? You hear that? So now I'll play a different song. No pop. Play the same song. No pop. So that little crisp popping noise at the beginning is what's throwing me off. Anybody else have that?